Hello, and welcome to this HelloID product release video for our November 2019 service automation release. We will start with a PowerPoint and then demo the software. First up in the PowerPoint, you can now send or have the requester information in a form. With this information now available, you can do scoping in forms. Only show information that the user of a form is allowed to see. For example, if you are opening a form as a manager, you can only see your own employees for your department. So for example, the manager can only reset the MFA or password, change access to applications, or anything for his own employees. Next, you can now support multiple parameter inputs in data sources, whereas before it was only one parameter. In addition, you can now specify the name for the parameter instead of the argument one name. Third, you can make the input parameters required, so the data source will not be executed until an input value is available. So for example, if you want to search for users in the previous release, when the form was opened, all the users were retrieved, causing delays in working with the form. Now you can make the search parameter required, so the users are only retrieved if something is filled in the search box. Next, we have added TLS support. This is because the previous versions were not as secure as we wanted. So we upgraded the agent to the 1.2 version. It is very important that all agents for all of our customers are upgraded. When all of our HelloID clients have upgraded their agents, we will then be able to update the HelloID website to reflect the upgrade with version 1.2. We plan on doing the switch at the end of January 2020, and you will see the upgrade then in the portal. The agents will automatically update to the new version. You will only need to pay attention to this upgrade if you have turned Auto Update off. Let's demo these new functionalities. We are logged in as an admin. We can show you the first three items together as they are related. These are the requester information, multiple inputs, and setting the input as required. Let's find the data sources. We go to Self-Service and then down to Forms, and then click on Data Sources on the upper right side. Let's click on Edit for the group memberships. Now here we can select the new tab, Input. Before this was a build parameter, argument 1. Let's switch pages for a second and show you the PowerShell script. Here you can see that it used to be form input argument 1, but now you can use your own names for the input. In this case, the selected user in the script as the input for the data source. We add more fields as they are needed by simply clicking on the Add button. Again, before there was only one with one argument. For example, we could type in user or even requester for this field, passing information to the PowerShell script about who is executing the form. With this configure toggle, we can choose to get input from a form or turn it off and have it be a hard-coded value. Then we can use the requester information in the value of the fill-in test information to test the working of the data source. So now we are using the username for the value to input it into the data source. This is convenient because we can use it as an input for only searching for users that are the requesters of the form. For example, the manager of that department. And finally down here, we have the required toggle. This is great for increasing speed. When the toggle is on, the PowerShell script won't start until the field has been filled in. This covers the three new items in service automation, and then overall, we upgraded the agent TLS 1.2. You won't really notice anything on your end with this upgrade. Again, we just wanted it to be more secure. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any comments or requests, and have a wonderful day.